In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trim a video in Capcut. Whether you're crafting a short clip for social media or creating a longer piece for a personal project, trimming your video is an essential step in the editing process to ensure your content is both engaging and polished. So let's dive right into it. To get started, open your preferred web browser and head over to capcut.com. It's a great platform that allows you to edit videos directly online, making it very convenient for quick and creative adjustments without needing heavy software installations. Once you're on the site, you'll need to create a new project. Look for the option that says Create New and click on it. This will set up a fresh workspace where you can begin working on your video. The interface is user-friendly, but if you're new, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Next, it's time to choose the canvas for your project. You'll see several options depending on the kind of content you're creating, like a 9:16 aspect ratio for TikTok or Instagram stories, for instance. Simply click on the canvas that fits your needs. Setting this correctly from the start will save you time and ensure your video looks perfect on the platform of your choice. Now that your project is set up, you'll need to upload the video file you want to edit. Go ahead and click on Upload. This will prompt you to select files from your computer, so locate the video file you intend to trim and upload it into Capcut. Depending on your internet speed and the size of your video, this might take a few moments. Once your video is uploaded, click on it. This will place your video onto the timeline, which is where all the magic of editing happens. You'll see your video represented as a sequence along the bottom of the screen. To trim your video, focus on the edges of the clip within the timeline. Click on an edge and drag it toward the center to cut unwanted parts from the start or end of your video. A helpful tip is to closely watch the preview pane as you trim, which shows exactly where the video will start and stop, ensuring that you catch the perfect moment for both opening and closing scenes. And there you have it. You've successfully trimmed your video in Capcut. Remember to save your project frequently to prevent any loss of work. With these steps, you can now polish your video